I'm getting ready to build the Dog Daze inlay again. This time I'm going to put it on a keepsake lid instead of cutting it out as an ornament. On the top side of the lid I'm going to use a white dog made out of this curly maple here. This is really pretty wood. I'll use Wenge ears. I'll put the dog on a red heart roof, and the body of the doghouse will be made out of Cocobolo. On the other side of the lid, I'll make another Dog Daze inlay. This time though, I'm going to make it with all of the Christmas lights. In this case, I'm going to make the dog out of this curly walnut here, and I'm going to use this other piece of walnut to take his ear out of. This time I'll make the roof of the doghouse out of this quilted maple here. It's also pretty cool looking wood. And then I'm going to use olive wood here for the base of the doghouse. And then for the stocking, I'm going to use a little bit of yellow heart for the fluffing at the top of the stocking. And I'm going to make the stocking itself out of purple heart.